in this course. Do you know what is CO?
Course outcomes, sir.
Course outcomes.
Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. You see, course in the sense our subject. First of all, we should know, and program in the sense our BTech degree. Okay. Like course outcome, there is the program outcomes, BTech program outcomes. Okay. That means course outcomes in the sense, we will take first course outcomes. So here our course title is the data structures and algorithms. Okay. So why we are using the data structures and algorithms course? Why we have to study? What is the benefit of this data structures and algorithms course? So once you complete this semester, at the end of the semester, you will get a few benefits from the data structures and algorithms course. That benefits are called course outcomes, outcome of this course, outcome of this course. Likewise, when you are completing the BTech program, you will get some benefits. That means benefit in the sense knowledge. So what are the knowledge level you will get when you are completing the BTech program? So that is called program outcomes. So there is 12 program outcomes which is defined by the National Board of Accreditation. That is one of the association which is created by Indian government, right? So this NBA defined 12 program outcomes. Each and every graduate when getting the graduation, that particular person will benefited with this program outcomes. So first program outcome is engineering knowledge. This engineering knowledge here, again, all the program outcomes are related to all engineering departments: civil engineering department, computer science engineering department, mechanical engineering department, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, production engineering, chemical engineering. So all engineering programs. But whoever is studying in their uh, uh, program, that means computer science and engineering program, civil engineering program, like that. So we are, you people are studying the computer science and engineering program. So when you are getting the graduation from computer science and engineering, you will get the engineering knowledge in computer science, engineering knowledge in computer science. So that knowledge, computer science knowledge, okay, apply the knowledge of either mathematics or science or engineering fundamentals and engineering specialization. Specialization here is computer science and engineering. So you will apply the engineering specialization knowledge to the solution of complex engineering problems. So once you, whenever you are completing the after completion of program, BTech program, you are able to find out the solution for complex problems by using your knowledge. This is the meaning of this statement. Second statement, problem analysis. By using the knowledge you got from the graduation, you can analyze the problems. You can analyze the problems by using previous previous research literature. Okay, so using that you can analyze the problems, right? Then third one is for the given problems, you can design or develop the solutions. Knowledge you got from your graduation. That is the meaning of design and development of solutions. Then fourth one is conduct investigations of complex problems. Here, the second one is, you look at here, the second one, what we have seen, we can able to analyze the problems by using our engineering knowledge. Likewise, here after analysis, you can investigate. You can investigate by using research-based knowledge. Research-based knowledge, in-depth. Okay, you can do the investigation in depth by using research-based knowledge. Then fourth, modern tools. For example, here for Java, we are having so many platforms. So if there is any tools available, modern software tools, we can apply that modern tools to solve the complex engineering activities. Okay, so that is the thing. For example, neural network in machine learning, neural network, always we used to imagine how the neural network will be appear, and also how the process is going on in the neural network. Always we will imagine. But nowadays there is animated tools are there. So using that, you can easily understand, and also you can design the solution for real-time problem easily. That is the thing. So you can use the modern tools. And sixth program outcome is engineering and society. Here, by using your knowledge which is learned from the graduation, BTech graduation, you can apply that knowledge, reasoning skills to the problems which are related to society, health, safety, legal, and cultural related problems. So for these problems, you can apply your reasoning skills to develop the solutions, right? Then seventh one, environment and sustainability. Whichever course you are learning, by using that course, you should create the solution to save the environment. So that should impact. You look at that, your knowledge gathered from the graduation, that should useful to save the environment, and it should be sustainable. The solution should be sustainable. That is the thing. Eighth one, you should follow the ethics. So here, whenever you are developing the solution, for example, suppose you are developing the prototype to the kids. Okay, to the kids. So kids here, they are moving here and there. We have to monitor them 24/7, except sleeping time. So for that, if when you are developing the product, if they are entering into some unwanted activities, you can develop the product to give some alarming message, alert message. So that when you are developing that product, it should follow the ethics. That product should not developed by others. That means you should not copy the content from our model or algorithms from other vendors. That is the thing. You should follow the ethics. That is the thing. So ninth program outcome, individual and teamwork. So to decide to develop the solution or algorithm, that may be individual or teamwork. For example, when you are doing the project, you may combine with your friends or electronic students or electrical students. That is the thing, multidisciplinary settings. Okay, so you may form a team with other BTech students. Okay, so that is the thing. Then communication. When you are coming out of the BTech program, you should able to communicate with each other to make engineering activities in developing the solutions. And the 11th one, Project management and finance. This is also important one. When you are developing the products, when you are developing the products, you should able to manage the amount. Okay, manage the amount, right? Suppose if you are five people teamwork, okay, five people team, so you have to you have to allot the work to each and everyone. That is the management, managing the work, managing the work. After that, if there is any fund you are allotting, that should also be allotted effectively. You have to manage the fund. That is the project management and finance. And lifelong learning. Here, some of the courses, for example, Java programming language. The Java programming language, it may be useful for your software engineer career. Software engineer career. So, the 12th program outcome is lifelong learning. So these program outcomes will be attained by each and every student when he is coming out from the university or college. Okay, that is the thing. So now we will see course outcomes. You look at here. This course is data structures and algorithms. Already we know what is the data structure, what is the data, what is the data. So data in the sense that may be a binary digits of, for example, I will show you one PowerPoint. The data structure definition is organizing the data. That means arranging the data in memory locations. In memory location, what are the memory locations available? Already you know, we are having the random access memory, RAM. We are having hard disk drive, and you may pen drives, memory cards, cache memory, read only memory. So different kind of memory available. So here, how the data will be stored inside the memory, right? That for that we have to follow some techniques. So that is called data organization or arranging the data in memory. Then management, managing the data. That means insert, store the data, delete the data, modify the data. So these are all coming under the managing data. Then storage format. You may store the data in the form of audio file, in the form of video file, in the form of text files. So different kind of formats we may use. So the data structure is defined as arranging the data in memory locations and managing that stored data, and also store that data in different formats. So this definition is called data structure. Okay. So for example, I have given real-time examples. You see here we are having, for example, you are having 100 books, right? In this 100 books, uh, I want to take Java programming book. Can you take that Java programming book within 2 minutes from this pile of books?
No, sir.
No, right? So that is not possible. So what we have to do, we have to go for first statement. What is the first statement? Data arrangement, organizing the data. So here we will arrange the books in different manner, that whatever we wish. Okay, here you look at that. I am arranging this in this picture. Books are arranged in some format, and here second picture, it is arranged in another format. Here you may here all the books are arranged in the same format. I mean, we are unable to find different domains like AI, ML, Java, Python. So unable to find it. Here you see the second picture. You may store in the form of programming language books in one rack, oneself, and other network related books in oneself, machine learning related books in oneself. So like that, you can store in the different manner. You see the difference between the arranging the books, okay, different structure of arrangement, different structure of arrangement. And third one, you look at here, this is another one structure, another one structure. So books are arranged in different format, arranged in different format, different structure, right? I hope you understood. Likewise, right, suppose if words are available like this, you look at that, I'm having the different words, lot of words, like 100 words, right? So from this 100 words, if I want to take particular word, it is very difficult, very difficult. To avoid that, we can arrange these words in some structure. Here I am using list structure, list of elements, which is arranged in the form of alphabet ascending order, ascending order. Okay. And another one example, you look at here, here also the words, technical words. These are all technical words which are spreader, which are spreading, right? So which is also in clumsy manner. So this is from this, if you want to find particular word, it is very difficult. To avoid that, we may use some table. We may use table format. So this is another kind of structure. So from this, what we can be conclude, the data can be arranged in some structure, organizing the data in memory location and managing the data, and also stored in different formats. So that is the thing. So here we are taking data management. Until previous thing, I have given one is books example and another one is words example. Now I am giving the data. Look at here. Suppose when you are entering the data, this is one format. Okay, so data is arranged in the form of some using some serial number. Then that is arranged in some table structure. Okay, here again you look at here the second one. The second one is having different structure, that is also arranged in the table structure. So this is called managing the data, data management, arranging the data in different format. I hope you understand what is the data, right? What is the data structure? What is the data structure? Okay. Now, to arrange this, we need to write the algorithms. We need to write the algorithms. So that algorithms to be written step by step. That's what all these things comes under, all these things come under this course, data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms. So what is the definition for data structures? The data is arranged in the memory locations and managed, and also managed by different concepts, and also you can store that data in different formats in memory locations. So that is the thing, the way of arranging the data. So to do that arrangement, management and storage, for that we have to write the algorithms. So that's why it is called data structures and algorithms. So this course is given as unique number CSE 2001. Here T means theory, P means practical, C is credit. So here 3 credit for theory hours, 2 3 hours, 3 hours for the theory hour, which is carrying the 3 credits, 2 hours for the practical. Each hour is 0.5 credit. So 2 into 0.5, 1, totally 4 credit course, 4 credit course. So syllabus number revised in this in last month. So it is 1.1, and there is the prerequisite. You have to completed the CSE 1001 or CSE 1004 problem solving using Java or problem solving using Python. Okay. So that is the thing you should complete earlier. And you should not complete SWE 2001. This is data structures course, which is given to the integrated MTech course. Okay. What are the objectives? Okay, why do we study this? Why do we study this? To learn about basic concepts of data structures and algorithms. What are the basic concepts? The basic concepts are, right, uh, to arrange the data, we are having some set of algorithms. To manage the data, we are having some set of algorithms. Okay, right? To access the data, we are having some set of algorithms. So these are the basic concepts. We will see that. Then understand the concepts about searching and sorting techniques. The basic concepts we told now, right? The searching is one of the concept and sorting is another one concept. Searching a element from a, large amount of data, and sorting. Suppose if there is the 1,000 lines, you have to sort it in ascending order or descending order. For that, there is some set of algorithms. And the first one we have seen basic concepts of data structure. The basic data concepts are, you look at here, stack, queue, list, tree, graphs, and array is one of the basic concept. These are all available, right? And fourth objective is writing algorithms. That is the important one. Writing algorithms to solve the given problem with help of fundamental data structures. Fundamental data structures. What are the fundamental data structures? Stack, array, queue, list, trees, graphs. These are the fundamental data structures. When you are solving the problem, you can use these fundamental data structures to solve the problem, right? That is the thing, right? Then this is the course outcome. Okay, after completion of this course, what is the knowledge you will get? You will understand basic concepts of data structure, right? Before that, there is one of the thing, execution time complexity. Suppose when I'm giving the problem of matrix multiplication, 3 by 3 matrix, right? So here some 10 students may write 10 lines of code for matrix multiplication. Some a few members of another 10 members may write with 12 lines. 12 lines. First group 10 lines. Second 10 members wrote another 12 lines. Then another one group 40 members wrote 15 lines of code, which will take more time to find the solution. Okay, here you see 10 lines, 12 lines, 15 lines. So the 15 lines code will take more time. That is called time complexity. Whenever you are designing the algorithm, your algorithm should take less time. So then only that algorithm will be efficient. Better algorithm, efficient algorithm or better algorithm. So to measure that, there is one concept, asymptotic notations. Asymptotic notations. So these asymptotic notations are used to analyze the algorithms performance. To analyze the algorithms performance. Performance in the sense execution time. Okay. Then second course outcome related to storing the data using linear data structures and organizing the data, arranging the data using linear data structure. Here linear data structure, there is two types of data structures. One is the linear data structure and second one is non-linear data structure. Linear data structures are array, stack, queue, linked list. Non-linear data structure is trees and graphs. So here The second course outcome is related to the knowing knowledge, knowing the knowledge or getting the knowledge by using linear data structures. And third one, you can design the algorithm to solve complex problems using linear data structures or non-linear data structures. So this is fourth outcome, say third outcome. Okay. So here the linear data structures, already I told you, array, stack, queue, linked list, right? Then non-linear data structure, trees and graphs, right? Then fourth course outcome, designing efficient sorting algorithms, right? So here the algorithms what you are learning or writing, that is related to sort the data by using some algorithms. That algorithms are called sorting algorithms. Okay. Do you understand about this course outcomes? Is there any doubt? Okay, let's move on to the next one. You see, already I have explained about program outcomes, BTech program outcomes. Here I explained about data structures and algorithm course outcomes. Now, how these course outcomes are mapping with BTech program outcomes. What are the BTech program outcomes? Engineering knowledge, problem analysis, designing the solution, investigate the complex problems, then modern tool usage. Sixth one is engineering and society, and seventh one is environment and sustainability. Eighth one is ethics. Ninth one, individual and teamwork. 10th one, communication. 11th one, project management and finance. 12th one is lifelong learning. How this course outcomes are, which are the course outcome? This course outcome, what is the course outcome? Understanding the basics of asymptotic notations and analyzing the algorithm, right? To find out which algorithm is better algorithm or best algorithm. So this knowledge, this topics are related to knowledge. You are getting the engineering, computer science and engineering knowledge related to analyze the algorithms performance, analyze the performance, algorithms performance. Then PO4. So here you are analyzing the algorithm. For analyzing the algorithm, you need to know, right? You need to know investigating the problem. So which is related to the, mapping to the PO4. And this algorithm, as a computer science engineer, always if you become software engineer in future, always you will write some algorithm. So this analysis knowledge will be useful to you in your lifelong career. That is the PO number 12. Then likewise CO2, which is related to storing and organizing the data using linear data structure. So this is also related to the engineering knowledge. Then sixth one is engineer and society. Then 12th one is lifelong learning. Likewise, designing the solutions using linear and non-linear data structures course outcome 3, which is mapping to engineering knowledge, problem analysis. Then second one is not a problem analysis. Second one, problem analysis, developing the solution, right? So this is related to these three, right? And PO6, engineer and society. Then fourth one, sorting algorithms, designing the sorting algorithms, which is also related to engineering knowledge, problem analysis, then lifelong learning. So these four outcomes are mapping to some of the program outcomes. You see PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5 is not there. You look at here. PO5 modern tool usage. Okay, PO5 is modern tool usage. In data structures, right, there is no modern tools. That's why the PO is not mapping here. Not mapping here. So this modern tool may be mapped with a different course. Actually, PO means when you are completing the BTech program, right, you should get the knowledge of this 12 program outcomes. Okay, that is the meaning. So in this, from this course, you are not getting knowledge about modern tools, but when you are studying about machine learning or deep learning, right, there you will use some modern tools, and also theory of computation, right? So there you will get the knowledge of using the modern tools. So that knowledge will be given from different courses. That is the meaning. So at the outset, you look at here, totally 45 hours allotted to this all 6 modules. First module is introduction to algorithm analysis, which is to be taken within 4 hours. Here, as I told you, we have to write the algorithm and find out the analyze the algorithm in terms of execution time, right? For that, we are having the concept asymptotic notations, right? Then module number 2, linear data structures, which to be covered within 9 hours. The linear data structures are arrays, stack, and queues, and a list. List means linked list. And so yeah, these 4 data structures are called linear data structures. Then third one, nonlinear, one of the nonlinear data structure trees, which to be covered within the 10 hours. Okay, so there also we are having different kind of trees, binary search trees, AVL trees. AVL tree is related to the balancing tree. Okay. Then sorting techniques, module number 4, it should be completed within the 8 hours. Here also we are having merge sort, quick sort, selection sort, and heap sort, insertion sort. So these are all used to sort the data in ascending order and descending order. Okay. Then searching techniques. In searching techniques, we are having different searching techniques that should be taken within 7 hours. Here, important searching technique is sequential search and binary search. Then hashing is one of the searching approach, which is having different types of hashing like chaining, quadratic probing, double hashing, extendable hashing. Okay. Then sixth one more nonlinear data structure, graph. This is also used to get the data easily accessing BFS breadth first search and depth first search. And second one is second half, finding the shortest path. Like when you are travel from one location to another location, you will try to find out the shortest path between 2 places. So for that, there is some algorithms, Dijkstra's algorithm and Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm. Three different algorithms are there. These are useful to find out the shortest path between 2 locations. I mean source and destination. Okay. The textbook is given here. Goodrich, Michael T. and Robert Tamasha. So these people have written data structures and algorithm in Java, published on 2015 by Wiley Publications. And different lab exercises given based upon the 6 modules. First 3 experiments related to writing the algorithm and finding the different, time complexity of different algorithm, right? Based upon the time complexity, you will find out best algorithm, worst algorithm, right? Based upon the time complexity. Then based on the linear data structures, you will write the algorithm to store the data and also accessing the data, right? Way of arranging the data by using linear data structure. And third one, module trees. Again, it is having some exercise. Here also, we are using binary tree and binary tree traversals, which is also used to store and access the data. Access the data with less time. And fourth one, sorting techniques to arrange the data in, ascending order or descending order. A searching technique, search the data by using some methods. Here we will use linear search and binary search. For all the algorithms, you can use calculate the time complexity to find out worst case, best case, and average case. Okay, so the best case, worst case, and average case are coming under asymptotic notations. Asymptotic notations. Then graph-based searching algorithm, DFS and BFS. Here we will search the particular element from particular node, right? Then one more is finding the shortest path by using Kruskal algorithm. Finding the shortest path by using Kruskal algorithm. Okay, so these are all the lab exercise, and some reference books are given here. First one is Seymour Lipschutz, which is who is written data structures, published by McGraw-Hill. Varsha H. Patel, which is data structure using C++. Sabra Saini, which is good book, data structures, algorithms, and applications in Java. And Mark Allenweiss, which is also good, data structures and algorithm analysis in Java. And the last one, an introduction to data structures with applications, which is written by J.P. Tremblay and Paul Sorensen, published on 2007. You are having three tests, and weightage is given, then lab assessment and practical assessment. Okay, so this is about your course, right? If you have any doubt,
I have a question, sir.
we will discuss now.
I have a question, sir.